this has been mostly on my workbench in the middle of my shop here for, about 12 years, over a decade. And I was pretty happy to get it off my bench and on this trailer here that my brother made. He did a fantastic job on the trailer. And today we're gonna bring it out. It's the birthing of my fourth child.
And what's the long-term plan for it?
Well, it's not quite roadworthy yet. I have a long list of final adjustments to make, but then Govinda and I hope to do some traveling in it. We'd like to go to the barter fair and the country fair and probably some wildlife refuges, and we'll see. We'll travel the world. Well, there were years here and there where keeping the momentum up was difficult. Certainly when I met Govinda 9 years ago, I took quite a break and just really enjoyed spending time with her. But yeah, it hasn't been a hard project. It's just been a lot of fun mostly, so I don't mind. I haven't minded spending a lot of time working on it. I'm just really thrilled to be bringing it out, and after all these years, and I'm excited for all the guests we're going to have here to cheer us on. And
okay, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Okay, let me move the chalk. It seems to,
the forward level, you're not going to lose it.
Are you sure? Okay, I'll give us 3 feet then.
Okay.
Back here. Yeah, you could, if you keep going, you'll be able to straighten out a little bit, I think.
It's gotta come out and go around. Right up on there.
Oh, there we go. It's super heavy. Yeah. He's just gonna release it and then straighten out. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Don't let me run over you.
No, hook up the goal. I mean, besides getting it out of here, that's the goal.
that's the goal.
That's it.
Or you want it in here? Or...
We're gonna park it down by the fire pit.
Oh, gotcha.
And we're actually gonna leave it out for a few days.
Yeah. I remember getting ready for vacation with wife, and we bring the trailer up in front of the house.
Yeah.
Like 2 weeks at a time.
Yeah.
Just to play with it, bring things out.
So just go hang out by the chairs.
All right.
With enough people.
Okay, I'll start the music.
Right away.
Trackers.
Right away.
I've seen it before, I just didn't have it.
Oh. Are you gonna get pictures of this?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I was going to show you a picture of my youngest grandchild.
At a party? That's when she ordered her birthday?
That was
No.
Here's Keith.
Oh, good. Well, Matt.
Yeah, if you're straight,
I think he's straight. Jennifer, Jeff straight? How you guys? Yeah. It looks close over there. Okay. Jeff? Yeah, straight. Yeah. It's getting smaller. If you turn to the right, I think, because we're really close here.
Probably just straight.
Okay, think straight out. Just real slow.
You're almost there.
Yeah. That's the rear wheel good.
Hey man, how you doing?
Yeah. Yeah. I think we're okay. Yeah, just slow. It's okay, I'll jack it up level. It's not too close to the fire pit at all. Yeah. That's pretty good. I can't see a bloody thing.
Damn, look at that. Wow.
And everything, but seriously, like it just looks good.
I know. Jeff did a fantastic job.
Yeah. Sorry.
This is a star, and they're much closer.
Oh, really?
I
I swore that's what I put it on with. Oh, okay.
I did learn a lot on this wagon.
Yeah, that's how it always
No, I don't think so. Because I lifted the thing completely off the wheels with the. This is easier here. I think you're behind me. Boy, that.
I think Govinda should be doing that.
You want to break the bottle, Govinda?
It's your wagon.
Yeah, don't hit the
I'll,
window.
I'll stand on this side though.
You gonna break that on my trailer? Better than
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Woodwork, another
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
My nylon.
That's what I get for 25 cents at the thrift store.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
It's just water.
How many people you think we can fit in there, but you know.
I don't know.
We've got certainly have food here. With plates.
You can take turns
Inside. Oh, he's got it in there, I think. Safe.
and draw straws.
Computer setup or something.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah.
No, it's unclear. I think it's 37.50.
Pretty freaking awesome, man.
I'm ready.